Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Ethereum from Coindcx in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just need a quick refresh, this tutorial will have you transferring ETH like a pro in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Coindcx account set up and some Ethereum in your wallet. If you haven't already, download the latest Coindcx app or log into the website. It's super user-friendly. Once you're logged in, head over to the Wallets section. This is where all your crypto assets are listed. Look for your Ethereum balance and click on it to access the detailed view. Now, to send ETH, tap on the Withdraw or Send button. Depending on the 2025 interface updates, it might be labeled slightly differently, but it's usually right there. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's Ethereum wallet address. Double-check this address carefully. One wrong character could send your ETH into the void. Next, input the amount you want to send. Remember, Coindcx might charge a small network fee, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. After entering the details, you'll see a confirmation screen. Review everything: address, amount, and fees, then hit Confirm. Coindcx uses advanced security like two-factor authentication, so you might need to verify via email or app notification. Once approved, your transaction will be broadcast to the Ethereum network. In 2025, with faster blockchain tech, this should take just a few minutes. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for long-term storage to keep your assets safe from hacks. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.